What's up, everybody? So we got the truck in the shop yesterday. Today we're going to start tearing apart the front, that way we can get everything in the engine compartment and start dismantling all that and going through it. So we're going to tear all this apart and start dismantling everything here so we can get to the engine. Once we can get to the engine, we can start tearing apart that and seeing what all is involved in getting that apart and getting it ready to go to the machine shop. Not sure when we're going to be able to do that, but we'll see. This is going to be a day by day as we have the money and the time doing. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated. This is what we got so far. Got the whole front end disassembled. Got front bumper over there. We got fan shroud and the lights in there. Radiator and old hood. Making some progress. Let's do it to it.